Hello guys, I'm Tom from Esquire Middle East and welcome back to another episode of Esquire Explores. Now we're here at a very special sporting event indeed. What you can see behind me is Hublot's Match of Friendship, a celebration of all things football related, including the World Cup, which is just 60 days away. This event marks Hublot's official countdown to the 2018 World Cup and will see two teams brimming with talent face off at one of the UAE's greatest sporting arenas. Hublot, which is the official timekeeper to the FIFA World Cup in Russia this summer, is bringing together the friends of the brand to celebrate the beautiful game in the UAE, with star-studded teams created especially for this game. World Cup winner Marcel Desailly will be in action for Pele's team, alongside Brazilians Serginho and Dida, and UAE star Majid Hassan. While Lippi also has a stunning team, including fellow Italians Marco Materazzi, Amelia, and Gianluca Zambrotta, World Cup winner Christian Carambio of France, and Saudi Arabian legend Sami Al-Jaber. With 60 days to go before the first match of the 2018 World Cup, Hublot is continuing to build the excitement ahead of this, football's greatest showpiece in the summer. And that has been another episode of Esquire Explores. Do let us know what you thought of the event using the comments below, and be sure to hit subscribe. We'll have a new one of these coming to you very soon.